What's new in IKEA June, July 2020 after IKEA reopened the store, this one specifically in London. I'm gonna take you through the showroom, show you what is new regarding the social distancing and how the store is laid out. We're gonna go through the prices and the items IKEA have to offer in July 2020. Let's browse together. Let's go. And here we have the thinner option. This is 35 centimeters deep, so you got 35 centimeter and you have 58 and different combinations here with the doors. Let's say this one 465 pounds, this one with the glass 650 pounds. Sliding doors, that's the taller one, 236, and you got plenty interiors, drawers, pull-out drawers, drawers with the glass front, normal drawers, and the shelves on the one side, soft closing hinge, and on the other side shelf and the hanging rails, two hanging rails on one side. Last week this combination is 400 pounds. Here we have what you can put inside: drawers, hanging rails, shelves, baskets. So that's very practical. From these packs wardrobes you can customize them the way you like it, the way you want it, and they're quite steady. I did few jobs on this already, so I know they're very popular here. A lot of people buying them, and I think they're buying them for a reason. And I would say whatever I see in this price range here, at least in the UK, they are one of the better ones. I did a lot of assemblies of this, a lot of dismantling and reassembling. Again, I got customers where I did the job 3 times with the same wardrobe: assembly, dismantling, still working well. So a lot of people complain they're not steady, this and that, but whatever I see, they are pretty good for the price. Of course, you want to go for something more expensive or luxurious, then it's a different price range. But in this price, I think they are good. Okay, you get these different doors combinations here. You can see, I'm not gonna pronounce the names, but there is plenty options for the hinge doors and plenty option for the sliding doors as well. It's all hinge. And this is interiors, you can have it. This is a good thing, you get a lot of inserts for the drawers, a lot of baskets, wall baskets, shoe racks, or those pull-out trays for the hanging rail, of course the lights for the wardrobe. Plenty of options to choose from. So this is options for the inserts for the drawers, of stuff to separate the small things in the wardrobe. You can go all over the drawers. And more options for wardrobes here. This is one of the simpler one, pack wardrobe with those white doors. First time, let's say this combination is 243 pounds. And on this side we have a queen cap for 99 pounds, hemness 279 pounds, Isidal 249 pounds, Rackstead 99 pounds, and a few other options here. And we got the mom range, which is very popular here. Got 4 drawers, small, 3 drawers, bigger one, 6 drawer chest. And on this side we got the hemness combinations here. Lot of different colors combinations. As I mentioned, the best thing is just to come here, to check it out, showrooms, if they are open in your country already or in your place where you live, and check it out for yourself. Luckily here in the UK they open few stores, at least in London. I'm not sure about other part of the UK, but few stores in London open already. So this is the latest update on June 2020. What's new in IKEA? Shoe cabinets here with the compartments, separate compartment inside. Hemness one here. So it's just slim cabinets in the corridor, and you can put your shoes away here. Okay, let's move to the kids section. Just gonna go through this one quickly, just to see what's new, if there is anything new. So I did few videos at the beginning of the year already, but this one is a special as we were closed for 2 months here. Kura, £129 this bed. To us here, they're gonna be plenty here. All based on the kids furniture. Most of them are Stuas. Lots of different options for Stua here. As you can see, you can combine the doors the way you like it, drawers, and then the beds is Stuas too. Here there's more Stuas here. Lot of baskets, same as you have in a packs wardrobes for adults. You got for the kids wardrobes those baskets, or just under the table or in the corner for the toys to organize. This is very practical. Stua, a loft bed, which is £305 here in the UK. And you get small table under it with the drawers. Very practical, save some space. And there is some storage here on the side as well, with the drawers, with the baskets, shelves. Small Stua wardrobes here. And here, lot of baskets for the toys. I'll just pass quickly through this kids section here. Soft toys, carpets, small carpets, pillows. That's it in the kids section, and we can move where the food side is closed at the moment, so we can move to the, this is all the cutleries, glasses, all the kitchen stuff here, baskets and glasses and cooking stuff. And the bathrooms here. Let's go through it. Remember a few of them, they were here. But let's see if there is anything new. Hangers. And the tool section. What I'm using. I'm using this one. Oh, this is very practical for table desks, whatever you want to move around. Tools. One of the best wall plugs I'm using. Always those screws here and those plugs here. Fantastic. £5 for this box. Got 6 different sizes of the screws and 3 different sizes of the wall plugs, and they are pretty good. Seems like I'm advertising stuff for IKEA, but not working for them. I'm just working with their products mostly. Okay, this is lights as well as usual. Plenty different options here. Not gonna go through the pricing here. Just gonna show you a few examples here, so you have an idea what they're offering. You can come to the store and browse a few hours, then have some food. Unfortunately, it's not open at the moment, but I believe it's gonna be open soon. Hopefully no second waves coming with this craziness. Hey, more lights here. It's pretty cool. Passing downstairs now. I'll just pass this through, just for you to have an idea of what's going on. This is downstairs. We're gonna go to the checkout slowly. Carpets. I'm gonna go through the carpets quickly. We're exiting the carpet section slowly, and here is gonna be just this, actually picking up your stuff. Depend on the aisle and location of the item you find you want to buy. Put it on a trolley and then you go. So here is the bargain corner. Yeah. Thank you. And very good here. This is the last stuff I always show. Here you can find a lot of stuff where prices are discounted, and sometimes the stuff is good. It's just scratched, or it was on the display. Let's say this table here was £400, £399, and it's £149, and I don't see anything wrong with it. There is no scratches, nothing. So you see, sometimes you can find the stuff which is pretty good for the price. So whenever you're in IKEA, hop in, check it out. Maybe you're missing some parts or material. A lot of time when I'm doing the jobs, I just found the stuff customers missing here in this place. You can ask if you're missing the screws and stuff here. The stuff is very helpful, and you can find a lot of stuff. If you're buying second hand, you're missing screws, they can help you here as well. This is the bargain corner. Okay, this is it from bargain corner almost. There's a few more items here. Let's see, mattresses as well. Mattresses specifically, they're quite expensive, so you can find, I believe, good prices here. Let's say this one is £700 almost, and it's discounted to 450 for that's pretty cool. And thank you.
Thank you. Yes, young man.
Okay, there is those queues here. You have to walk like this. You can just pass outside. I think you can, but the way it is done here, let's see if we can pass outside to this side. If you're not buying nothing, you can just pass through here, I think, but you have to follow those lines, and you can go back just through the So the exit is as usual here, and that's it. Got all those feet clear, fine here, and oh, there is, you can buy hot dogs actually. You can buy in the restaurant upstairs, so you can buy them here. And this is it for browsing the IKEA store in June-July 2020 after reopening the IKEA stores in London. Hope you enjoyed. If yes, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. As always, you will made my day, don't forget. And see you in my next one very soon. Have a fantastic day.